Hey there, how you doing? My name's Reese and I'm going to be teaching you how to make changes to your new WordPress website using the awesome WP Astra theme. So the first thing you'll need to do is log in to the back end of your website. So let's go to that URL, and in this particular case it's for a client that we're building a site for. Yep. And your backend URL might change, but it's generally your website URL with /WP admin at the end. And then you'll just be asked to put in your username and password. I'm not asked that because I'm already logged in. Now we're in the dashboard of the site. And so this is using the new Gutenberg editor. So it makes it really simple to make changes. So if we go to visit the site now, you'll see we actually have this toolbar up the top here. And now what makes it super simple is that it's just a point and click editor. So if we want to edit the page, we just go to edit page and it'll load the editor for the page, and we pretty much just click on the text that we want to edit. So if I click here, you'll see that I can then just start making changes. And it's just a point and click editor. And when we're done making changes, we just click on the update button, and that will update. It will make the updates and the page will change. So I'll just show you a bit more in regards to the way that this new editor works. Everything's based on blocks. So this here is a block and it's called a cover block. And so over here you'll see we have settings for the block itself. Now I don't think you really need to get concerned with these, but essentially all you need to know is it's mostly just a point and click editor. If we want to change this background image, you would just click on the background image itself and see there's this replace option, and then we have the option to open the media library. I generally do that, and that's all of the images that we've uploaded to the website, and they get stored in here. So we can change it to say this image, and you'll see instantly it changes the background image. So if we click on update, and now you'll want to do this in a new tab so you can keep your editor open, you'll see that this is the live version of the site and that background image has changed. And I actually think that looks pretty good, so I might leave that. And so as we scroll down, you'll see these are just the same process, so you just click replace if you want to change the background image. Just click on the text if you want to edit it. This block is actually slightly different. What this block does is it pulls the latest blog posts from a category called announcements, and I'll run through this in another video. And so then, yep, same thing, just point and click if we want to edit it. If we want to edit the button, we can just point and click where we want to edit. And this down here is a gallery, so what we can do is, we'll just remove an image from the gallery, and you'll see it automatically drops it down to 5 columns. So we can reduce the number of columns if we want, so we can have a 2-column gallery. That doesn't look very good, but I just thought I'd show you how that works. And if we want to add something to the gallery, we just click on this media library option, and let's put back in that image. So we go add to gallery, and this is our gallery here. So if we want to reorder images, we can just do them like that. We go update gallery. And now that doesn't look so good, so let's increase the number of columns to 6 so it all goes in one line, and that's that done. And if you look down here, this sponsors section is just another gallery as well. So I've pretty much finished making changes to this page, so when I'm done I just click on update and you'll see it's been updated. And now if I refresh this page, you'll see that some of my changes, like reordering those items, have been done. Now the process is pretty much identical it is identical for editing any of the other pages. So let's go, for example, to the club committee page. If we wanted to edit this page, we just need to log in and then go to edit page. And it's just once again just a point and click editor. So just anywhere that you want to edit, I can add text here. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and in some of the future episodes I'll cover some of the other settings on this site, but this is going to be 90% of your day-to-day work. It's just going to be just editing the content that's already in place. And so just to recap, it's really simple. Just log into your backend, go to the page that you want to edit, and just click on the edit page option. And that's all there is to it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.